guys. I was trying to upload the please do, but I actually deleted it.
You deleted it?
By accident! And no, I didn't know kasi 6 seconds kasi if I deleted, I thought the whole video like 20, it was 2 minutes and 25 seconds, it will still be there, but wala. And Amos is here, you know what? He has been here like 3 days or 2 days. 3 days. Huh? Is it noodles? That's it! Oh, a challenge! Sarap. Noodles. No.
I thought that was a snake.
Noodles. This is challenge. Come on, let's eat it together. Oh no! Oh. And then, there's not a stick. So thank you for watching. We're just on a simple vlog. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Say bye.